Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tija. Every week I drop videos here once a week. So for you to get notification if I've dropped any video, kindly click on the subscribe button and not just stop there. Click on share, drop a comment and hit on the like button to enable me to be doing this for you every week. So in this today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to create a calendar table in Power BI. So I've already loaded my data sets into my Power BI. So I want to create a calendar table to enable me do my analysis. So first of all, where you're going to go to, you want to create a calendar table. You come to this where we have the new table. You click on new table. So this is where you're going to create your calendar table. So you're going to give your calendar a name. So I'm going to give my calendar table for easy identification. Calendar table, calendar table. So we're now going to say calendar auto. What it means is that what this calendar auto means is that Power BI is going to automatically create a calendar from our data set. So that's what this calendar auto means. So you come here to execute, come here to commit, sorry, commit. So Power BI have created our calendar for us, our date for us. So you can't stop here. So what are you going to do next? So you need to click on this. You come to the format tab, click on this drop down, pick any date of your choice. So depending on your country of origin, so you can pick the date. So I stay in Nigeria. So in Nigeria, we use the month, sorry, the day, the month, and the year. So you click on this. So Power BI have done that for us. So the next thing you're going to do before we create the next column, you're going to turn this into a date table. So click on this. So you come to the table tools, mark as date. You turn this on, mark as date. Pick this drop down, pick date, validated successfully. So now hit on save. So we have already created our date. So we have marked this table as a date table. So Power BI is going to recognize this as a date table. So what next are we going to do? You want to create a new column for year. So you want to extract year from this date where you have, you want to extract year from here. From this date, you want to extract year. So next thing we are going to do, you are going to go to create new column, not create new table. Come to create new column. We now see a year. Now see year. Calendar table date. So now see, so our name of our table is calendar table. So we want to extract it from date, which is this date here. That's what we want to extract it from. We want to extract it from this date. So that we have already done that. So we now hit on, now close our bracket, hit on enter or click commit. So we've done that. So we have extracted the year from this data set. So the next you are going to do the month. So we want to extract month from this date. So you go back to our new column, now say month. So this other time we're going to use format. So we're going to tell Power BI to pick months from this data set for us. We're going to go with the word format. We call out the name of our calendar, name of our table, calendar table date. You don't stop there. And hit on comma. The next we are going to use, we're going to use the format, the date format. Is it like full month or you want to abbreviate it? So let's try this. And put this, close it, and close and enter. So you put four M's to make it to spell the name in full. and hit on enter. So we have it here, January spelled in full. So in case you don't want it to be spelled in full, you want it to be abbreviated. So you make it only 3. So you take away one M and hit on enter. So you have it here, 3. So we have the date, the year, the month. So what next are we going to do? We're going to do the month sort column. So what this column means is that we want to sort it. One, if January is 1, you should have 1 in this column. If February is 2, you should have 2 in the next column. March 3, the column should be 3. So that's what we are going to do. You use the month sort column. You name it as the month sort column. So now go with our format, calendar table date. So you open up our quotation sign. Now it's only 2M this time. And now close it. And now hit on close our bracket. So you come into commit. So we have it January is the first month of the year. So we have it as 1. So even if I change this to, let's say, November, which is the 11th month of the year, we have the 11th. So that is sorted. So we have sorted our month sort number. So the next one we are going to do, the next column we are going to create is the day column. We want to create the day column. We want to create the day column. We want PowerBI to extract day from this date here. So extract day of the week from this date here. So now say day. So we still continue with our format, calendar table date. So we're now going to open our bracket, our quotation sign, and now say date. So we've done that. We click on commit to do that. So we have it here Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. So we are now done. The next column we are going to create, since we have done for the month sort numbers, we want to do so for the day. So if Friday is 5th or 7th or the first of the week, it should show us 1. Like Sunday is the first of the week, show us 1 or 2, depending on how you want to sort it. So you go back to our new column. Now see day sort. Day sort. So this time we're not going to use format or anything. We're going to use what we call weekday. We're going to use weekday here. Weekday. Calendar table date. Calendar table date. Comma. So you now say, okay, which day of the week do you want? Because now you come and click here. Sorry. So now see here, Sunday is going to be the first of the week. If you pick 1, Sunday is going to be the first of the week. So if we pick 2, Monday is going to be the first of the week. So if you pick 3, so you can have 0 is going to be the first of the week. So let's pick 1. Let's pick 2. So Monday is the first of the week. So we close our bracket, hit on enter. So we have it here. Friday is 5th, the 5th day of the week. So we have here Monday is the first of the week. So we have here Monday. So if we filter here, we have 7 days in a week. So if we filter 7th only. So you see you have Sunday, which is the 7th of the week only. So we have Sunday here. We're going to clear the filter. So the last column we are going to create is column for quarter. In case you want to check quarterly sales or quarterly revenue, we are working with the sales data set. So we go back to our new column, click on new column. We now say quarter, quarter. So now go back to our format, calendar table date. So what we are going to use to work, calendar table date. So you open our double quotation. Now it's only Q for quarter, only few Q for quarter. Now close it, only one Q. Now close our bracket. Now hit on enter. So we have it here. We have the full date, we have the year, we have the month, we have the month sort number, we have the day, we have the day sort, we have the quarter. So let's check if this quarter is correct. So we have 4 quarters in a year. So let's pick this fourth quarter is going to show us October to December. So let's check the date. We have it October, November, December. So that is done. Thank you for staying through to the end of this video. Kindly click on like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'll be dropping videos here every week. Thank you. See you in the next video.